Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at the farm. I got some stuff I wanted to get done. I got all my stuff set up here. Today I'm going to be drawing out or tracing out, cutting out and bending up custom mud flaps. So I originally bought these long john mud flaps off Amazon. Had them on my old truck. They were a little too big for this truck, so I've cut them down. I'm going to make a set of custom kickbacks. I'm not paying out the ass for these mud flaps. They want like $350 for 2 of them. I want 4. That's just not gonna work. Not in the budget. I got scrap steel laying around. I got one of the old long john mud flaps I've cut down. I'm gonna trace it out onto my sheet metal, cut them out, bend them up, and we're gonna make our own custom mud flaps. So we're gonna go over everything we're gonna need for today. So this is the piece the original long john that I've cut down. It's my sheet metal, my cutoff discs, my paint marker, and the good old trusty grinder. So let's get to tracing. Somebody has really screwed up my paint marker here. I get it all over my fingers now. Yep, that paint marker is no good. It is not gonna work. So now I gotta go find something else. I will see you when I find something else, I guess. All right, so now I got a pen and a pencil crayon. We're going to try this and see if this works any better. And if not, well, that's going to make for an awfully long day. We're going to start with the pencil crayon. All right, we got 1 traced out. 4 more to go. I'll see you when I got the 4 traced out, then we're gonna get to cutting. All right, so it took a little bit of time because I had to sharpen the pencil like halfway through every outline because the rust on the sheet metal is just destroying it. But I did get all 4 traced out. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, it is time to get cutting. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get started on the cutting. Probably not going to film the cutting. It's going to take a while. So I'm not going to film the cutting, but I will show you when I got them all cut out, what they look like. We'll bend one up and go from there. All right, so now I got all 4 pieces cut out. I'm going to show them to you, and we're going to take them into the garage, and we're going to start measuring up, and we're going to start getting them bent up, and then, well, actually I got to clean them up first. I should wire brush them down. They're pretty rusty. But here they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got that all cut out. It only took me about half hour, 45 minutes, trying to do it as straight as possible and as efficient as possible with an angle grinder, which is sometimes harder to do than you think. I do understand why these mud flaps cost so much, but the people that are making them are probably making them on CNC and water jet machines where it's all precision cut from a computer program and bent up the same way. But we're saving some money with some scrap steel I had left over from a couple other projects I made before I started my YouTube channel. And let's go in, and I'm actually going to go get a sanding disc. I'm going to clean these things up first. We'll get you when they're all cleaned up, measured up, and ready to be bent. Alright, so I got them all cleaned up. Nice and shiny. I bent one up off camera to see how it would turn out. And this is what I got. It's pretty good. It's a 1 inch by 1 inch. So you mark 2 inches and make the bends. And I just put it in a vise and bend it up. And we're good to go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the tape measure. We're going to mark another one up, and we're going to bend it up and go from there. So we're going to mark the 2 inch, and then 1 inch. Go down to the other side. My tape measure is going to break in half. Go 2 inch, 1 inch. Grab a straight edge, whatever you have. I don't have anything good right now, so I'm using what I got. Draw your lines. Set your stuff down. Figure out what way you're going. So then you just slide her down in here. Line her up. Tighten the vise down. In tight. And push it over. Now I take a rubber mallet. That one didn't exactly go as straight as I would have liked because it moved on me. And you go in here, line this up as straight as you can get it, and you just got to pull it back. And there you are. Now I got two bent up. Both fronts are, or both rears are done. So that's that. Two are bent up. Set them off to the side. And I will catch you when I got the rest of them done. And we're going to set them at the truck and see how they look. So see you in a few minutes. Alright, so I forgot to film setting them up to the truck. Forgot I didn't have my camera ready. But I got all four done, bent up, and they got a layer of paint on them to prevent the rust. Just a quick spray. But there it is. Bent up, bent up, bent up. And then there's the other one. That one's got a hell of a lot more holes in it. I messed up on that one. But it is what it is. So, that's going to be it for today's video. I got to find some rubber to finish the bottoms. Figure out how I'm going to mount the rears because there's no holes in the back. I have to drill them all and drill into my box to put them on. But we will get that taken care of and figure out that. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned and Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one.